Edusoft Robotix. Comprehensive STEM and robotics solution.
Hello students, welcome to Edusoft Robotics. In this tutorial, we are going to create a simple circuit to glow two LEDs in parallel. Step 1. Connect the negative end of the battery to the negative line of the breadboard. Step 2. Connect the positive end of the battery to the positive line of the breadboard. Step 3. Place the LEDs on the breadboard as shown here. Step 4. Connect the one end of the resistor to the negative leg of the LED and its other end with any hole in the negative line of the breadboard. Repeat this process with the other resistor. Step 5. With wire, connect the positive leg of LED with any hole in the positive line of the breadboard as shown here. Repeat the process for another LED. Note that the LEDs here are connected in parallel, meaning if one LED stops working, it will not affect the working of another LED connected in the circuit. Now, click on Start Simulation to see the circuit in action.